Hi class, today we're going to be learning about perimeter. Perimeter is the measurement of how big a shape is by how long its sides are. So does anybody remember what a rectangle is?
A rectangle has two of the same sides and two longer sides. It's kind of like a square, but with two longer sides.
Good job. So, in order to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we have to know how long the sides are. So here's a rectangle, or as pretty close to a rectangle as I can get right now. Let's say this rectangle has 8. If this side is over this side, what does that mean?
That they have to be the same.
So what does that make this side length?
8.
Good job. And if this side is 4, what is this side?
It has to be 4.
Good job. So the perimeter is a measure of all 4 sides together. So how do you think we would get the perimeter?
We would get it by adding the sides.
Good job. So the perimeter would be 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 4. What does that equal?
8,
Well, what does 4 plus 4 equal?
8.
Okay. What is 8 plus 8?
16.
Do you know what 16 plus 8 is?
If I counted by 8,
Let's count.
16,
Let's start at 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 8 plus 4 plus 4 is 24. So the perimeter would equal 24 units. Now, can anybody tell me what a triangle is?
A triangle is a shape with 3 sides.
Okay, do all the sides have to be connected?
Yes.
Okay, good job. So a triangle is the same way. We get perimeter the same exact way. We have to add all the sides. So let's say this side is 12, and this side is 11, and this side is 10. How are we going to get perimeter?
We're going to add them together.
Great job. So 12 plus 11 plus 10, what's 2 plus 1?
3.
What's 1 plus 1 plus 1?
3.
So the perimeter of this triangle is 33. Now, when we're trying to find perimeter, sometimes we have to use a ruler. Because sometimes we have a shape and we don't know what that shape's sides are. So, can you see what's on this ruler?
Inches and centimeters.
Great job. So, for this lesson, we're going to use centimeters because there's more centimeters than there are inches. Okay? And centimeters are easier to work with smaller things. So, let's see. Let's do a trapezoid. Okay. Now, this trapezoid doesn't have any numbers on it, does it?
No.
Okay, so now we need to find the centimeter side of our ruler. Is that going to be the top or the bottom?
The top, because it says cm.
Great job. Okay, so when we're going to measure with centimeters for right now, we're going to round to the nearest centimeter. So that means we're going to round if it's right here. It's not quite 2, but we're gonna round it up to 2, okay? So, let's see. This trapezoid seems to be close to 13 centimeters on this side. So we're gonna write 13. CM, because CM stands for centimeters. Then we're gonna measure this side. And if you can look really, really close, it looks like it's closer to 21 because it's right over half. And if you remember, up to 4, go no more. 5 or higher, go to the next one higher. What did we say this was?
21.
Yes. 21 what?
Centimeters.
Great job. Now, if this is a perfect picture, both sides would be 13. But it looks like this side is 14. That's okay. 14 centimeters. Okay, we have one more side. This side looks like it's gonna be 11. So, now we have 13 centimeters, 11 centimeters, 14 centimeters, and 21 centimeters. Now, does anybody remember what we do to get it? The perimeter?
We're going to add them.
Right. So, let's do 11 plus 21 plus 14 plus 13. Add those together. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 2 plus 4?
6.
What's 6 plus 3?
9.
What's 1 plus 2?
3.
What's 3 plus 1?
4.
What's 4 plus 1?
5.
So, this trapezoid has a perimeter of 59 centimeters. Isn't that cool how we can do that?
That is cool.
Now let's try it one more time with a different shape.
Let's do a circle.
We can't do a circle, and here's why. Does a circle have any straight sides?
No.
Well, we can't find the perimeter of a circle right now. You'll learn how to do that later on in school, like 8th or 9th grade. Let's do, let's do a rhombus. Okay. Now, it doesn't have any sides numbers written on it, right?
Nope.
So, we have to measure. So this rhombus is going to be 13 centimeters on this side. And on this side, it's going to be 13 and a half. So we're gonna say it's also, it's 14, I mean. And this side is 13. Which to me, it kind of seems like this top one's gonna be 14. Let's see. Yep, it's 14. Can anybody tell me why all the sides seem the same? Like as a rectangle? Does anybody remember that?
No.
Remember this shape is called a parallelogram because two sides and the other two sides, they're parallel. Does anybody remember what parallel means?
They run The same distance apart?
Yes, and they're doing what?
Going the same direction?
Great job. Okay, so how do we find the perimeter?
We add them together.
So 13 plus 13 plus 14 plus 14.
But Miss Kasidee, you wrote a 13 on the top.
Oh, thank you. That's supposed to be a 14.
Okay.
So 3 plus 3 is?
6.
And 6 plus 4 is?
10.
And 10 plus 4 is?
14.
Now we have a 4. What do we do with the 1?
We carry it.
Okay. What's 1 plus 1?
2.
What's 2 plus 1?
3.
What's 3 plus 1?
4.
And 4 plus 1?
5.
So the perimeter of this parallelogram is 54 centimeters. Now, I'm going to provide you with this worksheet and a ruler, and I want each of you to work on it until the end of class today.